Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by removing any padding and undoing hooks so you can access the Bustier's interior. Once exposed, open the seam allowance at the Princess Dart and press it flat. This gives you clean edges to work with. Mark the cup's original placement and the dart intake with chalk so you can realign accurately. This prevents twisting later. Now trim 0.5 to 1 cm of excess seam allowance where the cup will sit. Make sure the fabric lays smooth and the markings remain visible. You next place the bra cup inside the bustier, aligning the cup's notch with the chalked Princess Dart mark so the curvature follows the body's line. Once aligned, use 3 to 4 small hand tacks. Anchor at the center front, then 1 each toward the side seams. This keeps the cup from shifting. Check how the cup curve meets the outer fabric and adjust by 1 to 2 millimeters if there's tension or gaping. If everything sits smoothly, you're ready to machine stitch. You sew the cup in place with a straight stitch 2.5 to 3 mm wide, starting at one end and backstitching at both ends to secure the seam. Sew slowly so the cup's curve feeds evenly. Once stitched, trim stray threads and press the seam allowance toward the cup for a neat finish, then reinstall any padding or hooks. If you see puckering, remove 1 or 2 tacks, relieve the tension, realign, and sew again. You can test the shape on a mannequin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.